Hello, and welcome to this tutorial on how to turn on Ambient Mode on YouTube for Android. Ambient Mode is a feature that automatically plays videos when you're not actively using the app, which can be useful for background listening or discovering new content. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to turn on Ambient Mode on YouTube for Android. Step 1. Open the YouTube app on your Android device and go to the Watch page. Step 2. Tap on Settings, which can be found by tapping the three dots in the upper right corner of the screen. Step 3. Tap on Ambient Mode. Step 4. Toggle the switch to turn on Ambient Mode for all videos. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can easily turn on Ambient Mode on YouTube for Android. This will allow videos to play automatically when you're not actively using the app, which can be useful for background listening or discovering new content. It's important to note that enabling Ambient Mode may consume data unnecessarily, especially if you're not on a Wi-Fi network. If you're concerned about data usage, you may want to limit Ambient Mode to Wi-Fi only by toggling the On Wi-Fi Only switch. In conclusion, turning on Ambient Mode on YouTube for Android is a quick and easy way to enjoy background listening or discover new content. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tech tips.